7 Moja Love ngegama nguBuji bikho ngithi namhlanje sizeshosha nguve sohlangana nobhuti abambiza ukuthi uSilo othi kunesithanda asithanda from kudala angakwazi ukusitshela kodwa unovalo akazi ukuthi akhulume kanjani ngathi don't worry we'll be your mouthpiece sokusiza ukuthi uhambe uyokhuluma naye sikhiphe igwababa so hlala nathi sambe sobona uSilo simkhiphe igwababa. So, Nadumela, Woody.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and how are you?
I'm good.
I want to smart as wrong way, man. Livito Kipuji.
Oh, Kisilo.
Kisilo.
Yes.
Oh, what's a solo?
Yeah.
So, what is the camera today? Oh, Motla, Shapley, the Kati. Or the Chakets Moko Baba.
Yes, going to Marago Baba.
Baba.
Yes.
So, only Baba when I would.
Hanya Fenor.
Hanya okay, Jessica when I would Osakai. What's a lang of Pilava Fen?
Kisilo.
Yeah.
From Sanguvia.
Like how you say solo. Yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
L.
What got the L?
Sanguvia.
Because of Sanguvia got the L. Okay. And how old are you?
I'm 28.
Nearly 28.
Yes.
Okay, so how do Jessica also Orianko and a Kimang or just
Kalambla? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that thing, you
know. That thing. Oh, what's up from Ning? Also, Mujusili, no. Umiti from when?
10 years before that, yeah, I think so.
Before that?
Yeah.
So since 2010, waba lingwana?
When I got after 2018.
After 2018, but also from Mona, I will show next year. Oh, how cheap. Unaldi number say how nalubuali na and then
I'm working.
Yeah.
Then we are all I can write little spanning about you mail or 24 me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be
busy guy because I'll be ready. Also, oh, it's Majita. I want to know what I'm doing. Majita, tell me, Nakating, African.
Yeah,
you understand?
So,
I'll show you a moto like who singing.
I'm not sure I'm calling Bilagading Mar. No, it's motive.
Yeah. So
don't tell Blomolo, don't know like a little go till I'm come. It's jealous.
Oh, okay. Oh, so someone you said so.
Oh, I can't listen. That's a good chance in the
So, are you willing to fight for your number one?
Oh,
so already, you can't go in, no?
Yes, I am.
For sure. Let's also go.
Once.
If I TD hug, what's all ability places? If I TD hug,
hi, darling.
Oh, that's our answer. Hi, darling. All right, Priscilla.
Okay.
Eric, it's a make you wanna house choice. Joy, right? You wanna house joy, and then and then.
No problem.
Already?
Yes, I am.
Okay, sharp.
Guababa! Guababa! That's all.
And every little thing about you. And every little thing about you. And every little thing about you. And every little thing about you.
Hello, Joy. My name is Buji. Kisako Kwababa. Moja Love. So I've got a surprise for you. So today, you know what? Nari kita mai ko buali Joy ke mo Joy so re mamela. Hona le motho o ratang. Are you willing to meet them? Oh, Krastizong, you look so beautiful. Just 5 minutes of your time.
Okay.
Yeah? So, Joy, are you single right now?
Yeah, hamar lagi mang.
Yeah? Okay, so what do meet?
Can you come on?
Tare joy. O nana hore ke mang wena o shebi?
I don't know.
Ke ba bangata batho ba batlang.
Bona banti ba le serious.
Askisi. But you know, I don't know meet her. Samalin, ka tsara terrible. Tsara terrible. It's her. With the flowers.
No, Emma.
Okay.
So how with this? Hola. So. He buja wila munya go bona joy ke fitse ngare nga mohaka.
So, Sandra Joy, come closer. So this is a guy. Abutu Silo says he loves you very much. That's been forever. So, Abutu Silo. Papa wetu.
Hayi sana sizotrenda yazi.
Awuzikho.
Wena.
Kopa ka kupela mfowethu. Awuthi. Kupela. Please.
Go betha beng.
Hagi bathong.
Ya le ke tshwile nya gore he ke re go mohaka o dumela gore o hanana.
Wena.
Go on into it now. Now I'm good. At least I feel so much.
Wena idea we gonna
I love you.
we
I love you too much, time.
So what do you think about this? Ufila jwang?
thinking yamazi.
So, Nine history. And so what happened?
We grew apart and stuff.
You grew apart.
Yeah.
But now
No,
you
he's going to rather nothing. But that's
when saying when ka tlo ntse yentse wa ke sa o tshepi. Wena se tlo buy this ang senyetsa petrol.
so. I'm not sure, but wait, it's kalang hana.
So ka je go batla mmontsha gore wa mo rata serious.
Yeah.
But so wa mona o ntse le haircut e fresh. Wa mona o ntse le haircut e fresh.
Can't do.
Jale re tletsa jwang? Ka lo tla shopong. Oh. Okay, so jale re etsa jwang taba e? Le tla fetsa nna le ena. So gona no re ke reng re tla reng semi yes, semi no.
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Semi yes.
Ai lo tse mele chapo. Bitsa o tla ba mo tlampotso re ntshang but na I hope ya di monate di sharp.
It's a yes, ladies and gentlemen.
Ya re nna le re fetsa ke mo ke thabileng like le pela ke buleile mo ka utlwa okay sharp a o re mo re fetsa monate le na le tle.
So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, Mokoso Shanguve Joy, Lesilo official and item. Kitabile kudu. From this big soul bougie kwa kiriki tonsa ing kwa ba. Mojo Love Channel 157 and we out.
Ka shwe ya go baba ke fila monate because intshusitse thata. Because ne ke ntse ke sana go shopong ke sa go mo tsana mo ke no modumedisa fela ke no reka chocolate. Ke tswa ntshwara na ne ke ne ya ba no ke fitse gore no intshusitse ka nnete. Ntho ne ke nyang ke ikreile.
Sinbulisa lapha emakhaya. Welcome to Moja Love Channel 157. Kwababa is the show. Mina igama nguBuji Bikwa. So ngithi namhlanje sila ethembisa sohlangana noBhuti Thabang. uBhuti Thabang uthi kunentokazi ashagayo ngaphakathi since 2016 siku 2025 uthi akwazi ukukhuluma naye. Make mbona ube njaphelele nje amandla kodwa yena uyamthanda. So ngathi azokuthi Thabang masihlangane ngizokwazi ukukhipha ini kwa baba masithi Thabang sibone ukuthi somsiza kanjani thathole isithando sakhe sango 2016. Iyo sangena njani futhi
Ngiyaphila.
ngikama nguBhuji
Thabang wakunene.
Thabang wakunene. All right, ushela sibona noma wami. Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
manje.
Oh, all right. So, but Thabang, welcome uGwababa. Lona simbiza my Gwababa baby.
Ay, ngiyambona.
Ozokusiza ukuthi sikhiphe lo valo nalo.
Yeah.
Sawusitshele ke ngabanzi ngawe bhuti wami. So, Thabang wakuphi?
uThabang ngiphumela okushini elincane bathi emfihlweni eGravetown Thembisa.
Okay.
Ngikhulele lapho ngikhuliswa single parent.
Yeah.
Nge-age I'm 30 years old.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Kuna le ntombi engiyibonile igama layo uTebogo.
uTebogo.
Yeah,
Oh,
which is
okay.
yena mdalanyana nakimi. She's 35 but age is just a number.
Age is just a number.
Eh.
Thabang kushanga 5 years.
Hayi, uthando. Ngiphathana kahle nempatho.
Oh, okay. So umbona kuphi lo sisi lo?
Siloke siyashutha nje emasetini siyahlangana yabona. Masiloke nje kunama-shoot wama-background siloke siyahlangana lapho. So hayi masiloke sokuyisikhathi sibonana ngoba sesicale lento from 2016 so sokuyisikhathi siloke sibonana.
So 2016 to 2025.
Yeah, sokuyisikhathi. Manje umuntu oserious kakhulu.
So lo umbona from 2016 to 2025 awenzi next.
Kunzima ukukhuluma phela serious and
Lenzima kangaka.
serious kakhulu lo muntu and unokhuluma ngomuntu wakhe manje ngisaba ukuthi kuzosuka
So
ngiphoxe.
unomuntu.
Yeah.
Lo muntu esiyakuye unomuntu.
Yeah, mina mara ngithatha ama chance.
Hey, thatha ama chance serious. So lo sisi siyakuye unomuntu. Wena unamuntu single wena.
Nginokubamba ama piece job nyana lapho nalapho mara ngithi.
Kuningi yazi ngawe kuningi. So unama piece job wabambayo.
Yeah, mara sengiyekile sengifuna ukuba straight nje.
So ufuna uba straight naye. So kahle uzimiseleni maye ngavuma uzowenza kanjani?
Ngizobheka yena.
Uzofocus again.
Yeah.
Makuthi crap ke.
Hayi, empilweni kune win no lose vele empilweni.
Yeah.
Kunjalo ngizoyacceptele phambili.
Oh, okay. Mara manje Thabang mina ngine stress ukuthi manje njengoba sokukhipha siyokhulumela phambili. Yabona manje ufaka ama flops.
Kuthi manje
You understand ukuthi ukuzimisela kuyashoda. Yabona mawushela kwamele ube like ukuzimisela manje sengine stress ukuthi phaqa skipa. You understand? So why for when ungavuma uqoba umuntu ofaka agqoke nje. Phela kwamele uimpress.
Yeah, kuthi yazi yeah.
Masenze kanje ne uzokushiya la. And then mina nabantu bami futhi yazi sine drama. Literally we're going to impress her. Siyomchama and then sizama umtshela ukuthi wena usishaya ngayo. Then you're going to do the talking again later on.
Hayi, sizosikhulumela mina
Ne?
ndoda.
Okay, cool. So I think hambe ngikuye and then when angishiya lana ungamushi ngiyabuya.
Hayi, ngizoba discipline.
Sharp. Hello, Sissy. Hello. Hi. How are you? Johnny? I've got a nice gift for you.
Is it?
Yeah. This is for you. Johnny?
I was like, what's happening? What's going on? Because I don't know, like, there's no way you can not have a mijolo or anything like that. Because I know very well, it's not happening on my side.
I'm still to come out. Tebogo, right?
Yes, I'm Tebogo.
How are you, Tebogo?
You're making me nervous.
My name is Buji. Okay. Show my business Gwababa.
Oh.
Yeah. So kunomuntu oshanga. Kunomuntu oshanga ukuthanda ngenhliziyo yakhe yonke.
Uratanda. Aruratanda.
So uthanda wena ngenhliziyo yakhe yonke, so ufuna ukutshela ukuthi uyakuthanda nokuthi uyakudinga.
Oh God, oh my God.
So ungafuna ukumbona?
Ke motho. Yeah.
Wena wacabanga ukuthi ubani?
I don't know.
You don't know? And I hope usingile ngithi.
I'm single and of course I'm already taken.
Oh, you're single but you're already taken. Also in between.
Yeah.
Nango. What's up with? Well, he's not tall, dark, and handsome as you asked me earlier on, but this is the man.
I was like, what's going on here? Because Tabang gets very chumiaka and I can ring maybe Nalian Arnal Matata ring a gadio ring, Rebeleva to Kumuhumane Kamudu Koloing and something like.
Hey, that's what I'm afraid. He's known you since 2016.
Oh, tell the camera mo. Tabang Owencha, Elemotolo, Onali, Guababa, Uvele, like Nali Nevase, Napa Lago, Bolela, Nakamiwa, and Egamogena, I beat him mad.
So, since the first time I go on from the Ratagana, Cody setting from there, go Frostan, just did naked Tabilo or Ricky, go with a straight like life, not really close. So that's why I can want to show you. I show it available. Go Frostan and pay to my feelings for and a pillar can pay to a cape like our Masagala. Alles kat belesing is bonusing pamwa kesagala, so mele veling him ring a bed. I won't see my game about selling figure in Clizzo with a shang in temperature and king. Marabok mele, Namington to courage veling him jail, lady, over 8. Bogi vele to look clean a lamb belly with him face and a moon to a boy.
Why is it Bumpuchi?
So, Uduloli serious, so Lina Gatawa, I'll see simple or Gabeta way like it. It's not that simple.
Maratabana Wiki Tomo Wanakugone as my friend and then Ranu Bulela now and then Azanka won't put a Luchamara. To look on a way on put a Luchamara t-shirt at the camera like why? Only number ya, Kaunal was some funny, was some put a meter sharp or Honam.
And you know what I want to Shabaka Felasubo, we are tender serious like Netlizake Young. And so what I want, I want to was wearing Korata loudly, ki Gaubat, like Yaktand.
I'm shocked. Yeah, who's going to choose us all? Okay, you know what? Now I'm not working busy and okay, at the moment.
Yeah, go Frostan, if you just don't have courage or
Frostan at Yaktanda.
Yaktanda. Just that I'm like courage.
I don't know.
So how long have you been dating the guy? Wow.
For it's about 1 year, 2 months now. We are roughly there.
Oh, 1 year, 2 months. And it's not going strong.
It's not.
It's not going strong at all.
No, it's not.
I guess it's hard. How?
Like I'm just lonely in the relationship. Like I'm feeling lonely, but I mean in relationship.
In a relationship, but you're lonely. How can you remedy the situation? Because you're most of the relationship are lonely. You know, you're most of the so I want king go to sense a ganjan.
But I don't get you.
Get your mail.
Like you motolo ring, like no manabelo kakamotomo friendly chomia, go razan camputan betamara. So he can chomia.
How more beyond next?
No.
Ash Benga is good to me, young friend zone. Imagine if I say pension looking pleasing on map. I want. Yen the putting and good part of my pain.
I never thought of that.
Now let's think about it.
Yeah, I can say Bahuri. I bonajwa. It's just that the name faithful. It's just that they didn't have that much courage. But Kaje, no kite at least the bank tools, a hono, we be a tough lane tabaye or
the drama the camera.
Ash, and that one is not that easy. It's not that easy. yabona awusi easy but tshwantsile nna ke beta
Okay. So o single Thaba?
yeah nna ke singing
For how long?
it's been years from 2019 because the rest ne di piece job nyana there azange ka ba ntwe e solid yabona
Re ke nagane ka we. Ke tla nagana.
O tlo nagana? O tlo nagana?
Ke tlo nagana.
So u-lonely, so sine task date in
yeah i-date hiyo ngibona ukuthi hiyo step
uhlanganisa imali, so kwamele uphakamisa ama-secret socks ngenkani.
yeah
Yabona? All right, so last of all, thank you so much. At least umzulu ubhuti ukuthi uthini. Ngizonipha isikhathi nginyana ukuthi nizame ukubonda. Ngamuphi hug.
Oh my God.
yabona ukuletha ukubhalela le show le gwababa ekungisize kakhulu ngoba kungenzile ukuthi ngikhona ukukhipha lento beyingidla sonke lesikhathi la esifubeni yabo so ingisize kakhulu
Well, there's hope. There's hope. Nisibonele, there's hope.
I mean, like, ke motho lo reng o bile brave enough for am botse the we feeling ka gona e sala bana mo pela di camera o tshere matsapa man. It shows you can need why nyaka this thing, so why not?
njengoba behlele etafuleni vele siceka sidla ama sigcwale sisisu ngamapapa vele njengoba bese dateini sakhuluma one on one sahlala phansi siloke shaya ama drinks yeah kunethemba nyana ukuthi nami ngingangena 100% although kusashota 20% inyana ukuthi singene yabona ukuthi nami ngigudluze lempatha yabona ukuthi kube yimi 100% yabona but ngiyabona ukuthi sibe dateini kusisize kakhulu
Kwa baba nazo